Hey y'all, so this is how I get my nails super flat and super smooth. After I'm done shaping the nails, I go in with my hand file and I just file finish. I am going from the left, right, up and down. I'm filing that nail every way I can to make sure it's completely smooth and flat at all angles. Now, a lot of you probably already do this, but this is for like my newbies or people who just want to learn better tips and tricks. And then after I do this, I go ahead with an extra fine drill bit and I smooth it out. You can buff the nail after that. I buff it sometimes depending on how I'm feeling that day, but if you're following these steps properly, you won't need to use the buffer. Now, some people will take the sander band bit as opposed to using the file. I like the hand file because it gives me more access around the nail. And I find like sometimes you have to refine the shape anyway, so it's just best for me to go ahead as soon as I get done shaping all 10 fingers, I just go right in and start hitting with the hand file, so I can file finish it and make sure everything is smooth. So that way by the time I get done doing this, she goes to wash her hands, and once I, dry off the nail beds, everything is just super cool. I never have any problems. There are no ridges, there are no lumps or bumps. I find that this just helps me, and I use this. I swear by this. I will not do anything other than this. So let me know if this helps you guys. Let me know what other tips you guys want to see. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.